roll your eyes at me one more time.
Oh, you're so gentle with it.
Guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, so today I am actually going to Dubai. Sorry, my eyebrows are a little bit messy because getting to the airport was so hectic. Anyways guys, I'm at the airport now. I got myself a little snack from Starbucks. That Busola's with me as well, and so is my mum. We're going to Dubai together for my auntie's birthday party, and yeah, it's gonna be lit. I'm really excited. I'm just gonna eat my food now. I'm just happy we're here now. This is Busola. Hi. You can't hide from the vlog this time, okay? You can't hide your face. This is not hiding time. And look at my mom. She's at the back over there. Yes, mommy. Mama Patronne in the cut. Guys, I'm gonna try so hard and slay, okay? So make sure, if you follow me on Instagram, make sure you go on Instagram and like all my Dubai posts, okay? Make sure you comment as well. I want to see you commenting. Tell me you're from the YouTube channel, okay? So let's try to work the screen. I don't think it starts working until the plane starts moving, no?
Many flight goes to different terminals. You need to know your...
Where are you? Don't run away. We here. We touched down in Dubai, honey. Yes. And this is just from 8 nights, and you're seeing. Guys, so we are in our room now. The room is actually quite big. It's bigger than I thought it was gonna be, so that's good. And we have 2 twin-sized beds. It's actually quite big though. It's not really a single. But yeah, the room's actually quite big. So I'm not even gonna bother showing you guys the bathroom because it's not giving. Actually, let me show you guys because we're friends. So I might as well show you guys. Whoop. Anyways, this is the bathroom. It's not giving what it's supposed to give. We absolutely move. Let the fun begin. Guys, I lied. There's no fun to begin. We are not beginning any fun. We are going to bed. It is late. It's like 2 a.m. here. We're going to bed, honey. See you guys in the morning. Hey guys, good morning. I've just literally filmed a get ready with me, so if you haven't watched that get ready with me, go ahead and go and watch it right now. We are about to go to the beach. We're just gonna take a couple shots before we go. Let's do it.
Are you trusting me to pour it?
Yeah, I'm trusting you to pour it.
Tell me when to stop.
Not too much. Let me see. Okay, that's all right. That's all right. Oh, ain't she pretty? If you roll your eyes at me one more time. Alright, okay. Cheers. Cheers. First day in Dubai. I just want to sit on the beach and sip cocktails. Me too. Sip cocktails, have a couple nibbles because I'm a little bit hungry.
And I'll actually show my face sometimes. Today?
Good. On my way to the beach, we literally have the best Uber driver. He just told us like all the best spots, like the best places to go to. He gave us his card as well so that we can call him if we need a taxi, so that's good. Patronne, or do you want to sit at the beach? I said both. Guys, the stress of getting to the beach has been so long. Our taxi driver took us to the wrong beach, and we are now at Drift Beach having some cocktails. We're gonna leave soon though. I'm with my mom and Busola. Guys, birthday squad. We are going out. We're going out for dinner for somebody's birthday. Birthday squad! Yay! Me and Busala literally had to rush from the beach to get back to the hotel so that we can go out with everybody for the first birthday dinner. I'm really excited. Should be good. I don't know what restaurant we're going to. Oh no.
Let me go down, Jare. Sorry.
I want to learn
everybody's
French.
like, oh, yeah, kid, it's better to go see
Yeah.
But it's hard though.
It
Even
is
us
hard.
that we speak French, it's hard.
Anyway, that is last day, Joy. They come on,
Is it she saw you? Is it she saw you?
She see me.
So, what?
Oh no, I brought her. She went to get you.
I want to learn French. Let's learn French together now.
I can remember my French teacher, but she was really mean.
Oh my French teacher was mean as well. That's why I never committed to it. She was so mean. I don't understand. Why are they so mean?
When the teachers are so straight, that's why people don't like me.
Yeah.
Because they're forcing you.
Yeah.
Nobody wants to be forced to learn anything.
Exactly.
Unless you're not going to learn anything.
We are at the restaurant now. My lip gloss looks a bit weird. We're at the restaurant now and it's a Turkish restaurant. I mean, which one do you like?
Now, this one.
Which one?
This one?
Okay. What's that?
Yeah, then wait the technology place.
Hey guys, so today, oh gosh, my voice. But today we are going on a yacht for lunch. Are we excited? We're scared. I can swim in the swimming pool, but ocean is just scary to me because, like, yeah, that's just scary. Anyways. Everybody clap for Musala. We are out tonight, but yeah, you guys will have to please go on the Instagram and like the picture. Okay, we're going to like a club. It's a beach club, but it turns into a proper club at night time. So yeah, that's where we're going. Yeah, since we had food on the yacht, we have not eaten, so I'm really hungry. I've had a couple drinks or whatever. This is so cute. Oh my god, I love this. Oh, even pictures will be nice here. But we need to go inside first because it's so late and I feel so bad. We're going to have to beg security, please let us in. Hello.
It's in the air, it's all around. Can you feel me now? With the day, don't you know that your top speak?
What the hell? How?
Don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they understand. Oh, with everything's made to be broken, don't know who I am. I just
Sing it! Hey guys, so today is day 3 and we are back at the beach. This is the actual beach that we wanted to go to before. This is the JBR beach. Okay, so guys, I decided to wear this bikini again because I didn't like the pictures that I took. The pictures were actually really nice, like Busala did really well, but for some reason I just didn't like it because the background was really busy. So yeah, I took new pictures in these and they're actually so nice. But yeah, we are just at the beach sipping some drinks, enjoying life. This is what I got, a strawberry mojito. It's actually really nice. We might go grab some food in a bit, right?
Yep.
So yeah. Oh, last night, what happened last night? Recap of last night. Last night was it was very interesting. You guys saw like the performances. It was quite a lot. We left a little bit early because we weren't really feeling the music.
And then as we were leaving,
What happened as we were leaving?
they started remixing Afrobeat.
Oh yeah, there was bare remixes of Afrobeats, and I was just like, no, it's not. It's not giving what it's supposed to give. They tried to remix it so it's a little bit more, you know.
It was
Yeah, it was It's supposed to go to Addis, but then it was too late, so we're just like, no, we'll go another day. So yeah, and then slept, woke up, had breakfast, and now we're here. We are at the restaurant now. We're just gonna eat before we go back to the hotel to get ready for tonight. We're so hungry. Yeah, we are like waiting for someone to come and take our order. I really like my makeup today, you know. My food is here. I got the spaghetti bolognese. Well, it's not spaghetti, it's more pasta now. And Solo got carbonara. She nearly broke the plate. It's so funny because I've been to this restaurant before. I came last year, so I knew exactly what to get, honey. And it's so funny because the Wi-Fi connected me automatically. I feel cool. Okay, I'm gonna eat it all. Which one is it? Hey guys, so wow, my blush really looks like it's really blushing. We are on our way out. We literally left the beach and then we went home, got changed, and then we're just gonna have a chilled night really. Hopefully should be excited. I need a drink though. I need a couple of drinks. Get me lit. It's so hard to vlog when you're having so much fun. But yeah, I'm gonna try really hard to vlog today, actually show you guys what I'm doing. It is strong, but it's sweet, isn't it? It's nice. This is my cocktail. We are on a toilet break. This is my dress, guys. How is it like? God, can you guys hear the aunties literally screaming? Look at them. Oh my god, you know what, yeah, us Nigerians, anywhere we go, they must know that we're there. I can't. Anyways guys, we are doing safari today and we all actually had tops made for us. Me and Busola actually accidentally swapped tops. That was supposed to be for me and this was supposed to be for Busola. It says shy and sweet and this one says cute and fun because I am cute and fun. We're also shy and sweet. Yeah, so today is safari day. I've got a top on underneath because I want to take pictures. We're on our way to the safari now, but we stopped for a little detour to get some food. Everybody's so hungry and we actually wanted McDonald's, but the driver took us to Burger King instead, so we are about to do some quad biking. I'm so scared, but Jola's driving. Don't be scared. Got you. Oh, maybe not. I don't know. My life, you telling them. I'm not doing too bad, mate. Yeah. Okay. Oh, you're so gentle with it.
I know, I can't imagine who's in that car.
Shola's gonna be the best person.
Yeah. No wonder he said she wears 6 belts.
That's why.
No, guys.
Baby's tail. Oh my god. Oh god.
Hey, look at my hands. You have to put that one down because I got.
You can put mine down. Hey guys, today we are at another beach club, enjoying our lives, sipping on cocktails. So I got some wings. I didn't really get nice pictures in it yesterday. So I decided to take pictures in it today and then take pictures in this as well. We are gonna do shots. We went in the sand and we got really sandy, so we tried to wash ourselves, and in the process Busola got herself really wet, so now she's trying to dry off. I need to wee and then we're gonna go home. We're gonna go to Addis and eat some Nigerian food, honey. It's gonna see, I've stabilized it. Now you're gonna, oh god, kilo man show me by to be alone. I stabilized my camera on the TV. Now she has moved it. Now I have to try and get it.
Okay. Where's the bag? It was leg. Way better than our one.
This is today's outfit, guys.
That's something, yeah.
Everybody's about to take a shot. Are you guys ready? Cheers to being in Dubai and being young things. Not us though. only them cheers. It needs to be corner. We are in Addis. Addis. I don't know if you can hear me about the music. Hey guys, so my camera isn't working because I need another memory card and I forgot my memory card. But we are at Cove Beach right now and we're just gonna go in there, chill, have some cocktails. So nice here. I actually forgot how nice it was. But yeah, this is it. We've just ordered our food and our drinks just came. This is what I got. Drink pink. It's pink gin with a splash of whatever else they put in it. Guys, I'm so sorry, but you guys are just gonna have to deal with the quality of my phone because I just don't think I can find a memory card anywhere here, and we just don't have time. Today and tomorrow are the last day, and I just don't think that it's worth it me trying to look for a place to buy a memory card. So it's just gonna have to be my phone for now. And this drink is so nice. Guys, I got a cocktail with
caviar in it. I've never had caviar before, but I know that it's bougie, so a bougie drink for a bougie girl. But I don't even know how to drink it. Let me show you guys. What do I do? Should I take it out? Should I drink it? I don't know. It's definitely a bougie drink. It's definitely very strong. You know when you feel it's burning your inside. Guys, look at that sunset. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Guys, we are on our way home now because our Uber is actually here. Yeah, so we are going home to get changed, and then we're gonna go to a restaurant / club lounge now. Is it here? Oh, not a Lexus. So it is our last shindig. I'm done getting ready. This is my outfit. This is Busola's outfit. Hi. we're just gonna drink the last bit of this. We have apple juice. Let's pour in some apple juice.
I'm not gonna take
I can't take that. I am Patronne, but I can't take the shot on its own. I'm sorry. I'm finna mix it with some juice. My bad girl days are over. Guys, I've just filmed this look, hair, outfit, everything. So make sure you watch that video. If it's not up yet, then it's gonna be up after this video, after this vlog. I would like a lot of juice, please, because I'm actually sweating. That's not mine, this is my cup. That's the one I picked up first.
Oh, so tell me when.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Okay, that's fine. I told you guys I swallow really hard. It's that. Are you booking on something?
Last night.
Let's make it count, man.
Real.
It has, man. Oh, nice. Nice. How cute. Oh my god.
Wait, check this thing. Take it down. Yeah, we go. Red lorry, yellow lorry, no passing, no start train. Ready, we move. Red lorry, yellow lorry, red lorry. Well, I knew that it was as fast as that.
So we had to leave the party early because we actually have to catch our plane, catch a flight. Guys, we got goodie bags with our names on it. How cute. Musola's got hers as well. And in the goodie bags there's Crocs. I'm gonna show you guys later, but yeah, that is so cute. We are going. You know when you're low-key happy to be going home, because I need Wi-Fi, not Wi-Fi, I need a stable connection on my phone. Like, honestly. Take me back to where I can have good data, honey. Hey guys, so I am back at home now. Oh my god, that holiday was needed, but it was actually so stressful as well. Like, coming back was so stressful. I don't know why. Like, since this whole COVID thing, like since the whole pandemic, traveling has been such a chore. Like, it's just so long. I don't think I'll be going on holiday for a little while. I've just washed my hair, guys, like again,
and I've just done my nighttime routine. But yeah, I just want to say thank you so much for watching this vlog. I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog. If you haven't yet subscribed, make sure you subscribe, girl, okay? And if you like this vlog, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment in the comment section below. You guys know I like to have a little chat with you guys down there. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.